Morning students, today we are learn our 6th computer chapter of class 4, that is editing text in Microsoft Word. Okay, so in my previous lecture we learn opening an already existing files. Okay, and in this lecture we learn selecting files and inserting the text. Okay, so let's start students. Firstly we learn selecting text. So let's start. To perform any action like copying, moving, finding and replacing, deleting or formatting the text, we need to select the text first. To perform any action, that is copying, moving, finding, replacing, deleting or formatting the text, then we need to select our text firstly. Then the selected text is displayed on the screen in a highlighted bar. The selected text is displayed on the screen in a highlighted bar. Okay. The text can be selected in the variety of ways. The text can be selected in variety of ways. So the selection of the text using mouse. Look at this box. This is the selection of the text using mouse. So, selection and methods. This is selection and methods. A word. So, method is double click on the word. Double click on word. Then a sentence. So, method is hold down the CPL key and click anywhere on the sentence. Hold down the CPL key and click anywhere on the sentence. Then a paragraph. The method is triple click anywhere in the paragraph or double click in the left margin of the paragraph. Triple click anywhere in our paragraph or double click in the left margin of paragraph. Okay. So understand. Then a large block of text. So method is click at the beginning of the text. Firstly click at beginning of our text. Then press the shift key and without releasing it. Then press the shift key without releasing it. Then click at the end of the text and then click at the end of our text. Then entire document. So method is click anywhere in the selection area. Click anywhere in the selection area while holding down the Ctrl key or Control key or triple click in the selection area. Okay. Then next is inserting the text. MS Word provides us the faculty to add new text to an already existing document. The MS Word provide us to the facility to add new text to an already existing documents. So the steps are: place the cursor to the right of the character where you want to insert the text. Place the cursor to the right of the character where you want to insert our text. Then the existing text which is placed after the cursor will be shifted to the right side. The existing text is placed after the cursor will be shifted to right side. Okay, the cursor is shifted to right side. Then if you look at the text, then we will find a newly inserted text. Okay, we will find a newly inserted text between the last two paragraphs. So look at this picture. Look at this text. So understand students. So in your homework write selecting text and inserting the text in your notebook. Okay.